Hi everyone, I got my Spellbinders in and I am going to tell you right off the bat, I am in love. Oh my gosh, they have gotten better. From me wanting to cancel my subscription to, oh my god, I better not cancel my subscription anytime soon. It is just too funny. I am in love with everything. So I get the small die. Remember to look at the packages, the different options they give you. So you look at the whole subscription box. So this is the small die of the month. This is the large die of the month. And this is the card kit. And I get all of it, shipping included, for $55. Yeah, so worth it. You guys need to watch Nicole Spohr. She is one of the designers. This right here, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Is what that does. It makes the clipboard. Talk about fun. Fun. You get the pencils, you get the pen, you get the little paper clip, scissors. You get scissors. You get the clipboard itself. Oh, I love it. I love this so much. I cannot wait to play with this one. Oh, it's just, and look, it's a good size also. Oh, love that. And this one is the small die of the month, and this is a backpack. This does this. So the backpack flips open and you can write a little message there. So here it is right here. This is all the pieces you get. Glasses, an apple, the straps. Is that not the cutest thing ever? Oh, love it. That's Bus. And, oh, yeah. In love. And then this right here is the card kit of the month. Oh, I cannot wait. So you get some sequins, some very pretty bluish. Let's see if I'll, yeah, some blue, just very pretty blue sequins. Let's see, and then this is, you get the, I love him. It's so cute. So cute. Oh, I just love it. The sloth. I love sloths though. I do. I love. So let's do the standards. So these are the standards. What is that from? Oh, that's from part of the packaging. You get the 10 cards, 10 envelopes. They're bases. Let's see, you also get the standard foam dots, tape runner, and the papers that you will get this month is the blue, the copper, love the copper, the green. This is more of like a minty green, but more of a like pastel mint, a light baby blue, a white. These are all textured also, baby pink, and a brown. So those are all the cardstocks you get, which is pretty good amounts of them. Here's the stamp set that you get this month. Let me put it here so we can see it a little better. Is the sloth not cute? And you know, you're always not going to be happy with 100% of everything you get, but quite honestly, no, you'll never make everyone 100% happy anyways. So, you know, find the good in something. You know, if you don't like the sloth, maybe you like the sentiment. I mean, if you're going to look for all the negative and stuff in anything you buy, then, you know, make it yourself. Because you're never going to have, it's never going to be 100% something that you're going to love completely, you know? You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if you guys know, because the world we live in, who knows? People find the weirdest things to complain about, and I've seen it online. And that's why I'm telling you this, because people are like, I hate the sloth. It's so ugly. And I'm like, gosh, you know, when you have negativity in your life, you're going to be just a miserable person. You really are. So you can skip the months if you don't like something, if you can't find the good. I don't buy anything unless I like, probably at least now it's between 60 and 80% of something. If I can't use at least 60 to 80% of something, then I don't buy it. So, and then the other part of what I don't use, you know, that other percentage that I don't use because it doesn't fit in my life or whatever, I take it apart and then I put it in a destash pile. because I like sharing, because I am fortunate enough to be able to buy kits or buy product in general, like stickers and stuff. So if I can share in any way, I will. So, and that's how I share. The stuff that I won't use, that I know I can't use, I share it. And I don't know, I'm just not a negative person. I really am not, because all it does is lead to bitterness and hatred and all that good stuff, and or all that bad stuff, I should say. And I just choose not to. I'd rather see the good than the bad. Especially with this stuff. I mean, you're talking paper and stickers and stamps. Jeez. So that's my little preachy moment. But you know, I see it every time a kit comes out, and it makes me laugh, because I'm like, gosh dang, thank God I don't have friends like that. You know, people on Facebook who are constantly like that, you know, complaining. Oof. No, I would get them out of my life. I love that they're double. Oh, wow. Wow, Mandy. Hello, calm down. I like that they're double-sided. Lazy days, but it's okay. You got that right. Look at the fan. And look, you can totally fussy cut this fan out. Blow out the candles. Love that. Anyways, I'm just talking to you because I'm just showing the kit. And what else am I going to do? This is cute. I like that. See, you can fussy cut this one out too. Super cute. Oh, look at this. I love anything coffee. Coffee, donuts, cupcakes. Oh yeah, you have me at that. Oh yeah, I'm totally using these too. Oh, look how cute. Curious. Stay curious. Oh, sweet little sundae. The succulent, hanging succulent. You get a lot of cards. Dare to be different. Right? Dare to be different. Be positive. Let's see. Go where you feel the most alive. Ooh, and that's double-sided too. Oh, look at the little shoes. These are like Vans, right? I never had Vans. I don't think I had Vans. I had Converse back in the day. Back when I was younger, all I wore were Converse. And then when I became an adult, I got Converse, and I was like, oh my God, these hurt my feet so bad. And then when you get heavy, so when you're a heavy girl and you have Converse, oh my God, it is so painful. Those things are just like walking on cement, because you're just flat-footed, boom, boom, boom. And you're like, oh my gosh, yeah, to be a kid when you can wear those and they were comfy. Yeah, not anymore. So, but I don't think I remember having Vans. Okay, so that was all the, whew, that was a lot, right? And then I love getting these. These are the stickers. So that's all. That's Buzz, that's Cat. They're tired. It's hot in here. I love these stickers. And then, oh, the die cuts. I always forget that these die cuts don't have, let me open this a little bit. So, you get so many die cuts, you'll never use all of them. So, you'll have them forever. But my husband retires in 5 years, and then all my kit subscriptions and stuff will probably end up stopping. So then I'll just have enough to play with for the rest of my life with all the extras I don't use. So, look at this little, let me scooch, I'm going to scooch in, okay? Okay. Let's see, that way you can see these, because they are so cute. Cute. And then these, I think, come out, yeah, they're perforated. So the middle comes out. The middle comes out of that one. Oh, look at the little, is it like a temperature thing? My, how you've grown. Yeah, a little scale. Oh, look at the avocado. Oh, I love that. Is that a macaw? Get up and glow. Cute. Look at the birds. Oh, look at this purple sloth. I love it. They're just, you know, when things make you smile, how can you put a price tag on that? So, beautiful. Go for it. Major moment. Oh, cute. And these all come out too. So all of these are like frames, so that's cool. Like cherry blossoms or something. Hanging shoes. The lemon. The next big thing, what's this say? You walk my world. And then reminds me of Big Bang Theory. Walk my world, baby. That's what Bernadette tells not Raj, but Wolowitz when he comes back from from space, and she's all sick. Rock my world, baby. Something like that. She thought that was fabulous. So, anyways, that's what you get when you watch my videos. Commentary that is just so random. But that's all my videos. It's just always random. Oh, look at the water bottles. Those are so cute. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Now remember, Spellbinders also does the unboxings too, especially like on Facebook. So if you want to see them a little bit more better, if you want to see them a little bit slower, I guess, then I would look at them on there too. So let me scoot you back out, and let's look at the paper. So this is the paper. See, not every paper, you know, rocks my world, but I can still do something. You can still back your picture with something. You can still do things like that. So it's okay. Be a crafter. Be imaginative. Be creative. I love that. The paper's awesome. Oh, and then the last best thing is this. The actual sloth. And I love the fact that you get the limb. You get the tree limbs. I love that. So you get the tree limb. Wait, and I shouldn't put it on. Let me put it on this one. So you get the tree limb. Then you get the ferns. That was crazy that I remember what that was called. And the actual big leaves. Like when you're in Hawaii and you're on the road to Hana, those big leaves that they have. That's cool. Now this is the sloth. And these are the little, the little body parts and the little flowers. So all that will make the hanging sloth. Is that not cute? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Spellbinders, for having this. That's him right here. So that's the die. You'll get all that. His little feet, his eyes. I bet you could make him a raccoon also. See? Be creative. Have fun. Alright guys, I'll see y'all next month. I love it. I absolutely dig this kit. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.